Good morning children, welcome to online classes. In parts of speech I have told you about the noun. Now I am going to teach you about pronoun. Today's topic is pronoun. So pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Pronoun is a word used in the place of noun. In the place of noun. Place of noun. So it is a word used instead of a noun. Instead of a noun. Okay. So now I am writing. For example, my cat. My cat is very lazy. It sleeps the whole day. So a pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. Okay, it is used instead of a noun. For example, my cat is very lazy. It sleeps the whole day. So here this it, instead of my cat I am using it. So it is the pronoun. Instead of the noun I am using the pronoun. It is the pronoun. So the pronouns are he, she, it, me, you, are, us, mine, etc. So these are the pronouns. Okay, these are the few of the pronouns. So pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Suppose I am writing my cat is very lazy. It sleeps the whole day. Here instead of using the cat I am using it. It is the pronoun. So these are the some of the pronouns. He, she, it, me, you, are, us, mine, etc. So I am writing here Sita is drawing a picture. So instead of Sita I will use she. So she is the pronoun. I can write like this. She is drawing a picture. Do you understand children? So pronoun is a word used instead of noun. So it is a word used in the place of noun. For example, my cat is very lazy. It sleeps the whole day. Instead of using the noun, I am not repeating the noun. Instead of that, I am using the pronoun. So cat, instead of cat I am using it. It sleeps the whole day. So he, she, it, me, you, are, us, mine, etc. These are all the few examples for noun. So suppose if I write Sita is drawing a picture, instead of writing Sita I am using a pronoun. She is drawing a picture. Now there are 8 types of pronouns. How many types are there? 8. 8 types of pronouns are there. Let's see about them. Types of pronoun. Pronouns. Okay. First one is personal pronoun. Second one, reflexive pronoun. Third one, emphasizing pronoun. Fourth one is demonstrative pronoun. Next one, indefinite pronoun. Next one, sixth one, distributive pronoun. Next one, seventh one is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Next, the third last one is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. So children, here types of pronouns I have written. First one is personal pronoun, second one is reflexive pronoun, third one is emphasizing pronoun, fourth one demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, distributive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun. So there are 8 types of pronouns are there. First one is personal, second one reflexive, third one emphasizing, fourth one demonstrative, fifth one indefinite, sixth one distributive, seventh one interrogative, and eighth one is the relative pronoun. Now let's see the first one, personal pronouns. Let's see the first one, personal pronoun. These personal pronouns are the pronouns which refers to a person or the person speaking. Refers to the person or person speaking. Refers to the person. Refers to the person or the person speaking. The person speaking. So these are the speaking. Okay, the personal pronoun is nothing but the pronouns which refers to the person or the person speaking. Refers to the person or the person speaking. It may be first person, it may be second person, it may be third person. It may be third person. So first person example, I, we, me, us, mine, etc. Okay. So the first person may be I, we, me, us, mine, etc. The second person, you, yours. Okay, you and ever. These are the pronouns which refers to the first person, second person, and the third person is he, she, it, they, them, etc. Them, etc. So the first comes in the pronoun types of pronouns. First one is personal pronoun. This personal pronoun refers to the person who is speaking or refers to the particular person. So it may be first person, it may be second person, it may be third person. First person means example I, we, me, us, mine, etc. Okay, if it is second person, you, yours, etc. You, yours, etc. Now if it is third person means he, she, it, they, them, etc. So in the types of pronoun, first comes the personal pronoun. It refers to the person or the person speaking. It may be first person, it may be second person, it may be third person. Examples I have given. For a first person example, I, we, me, us, mine, etc. Second person, you, yours, etc. And the third person, he, she, it, they, them, etc. Okay children? Okay. So after personal pronoun, the second one is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. So the second one, reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. In certain sentences, pronouns like myself, himself, ourselves, themselves. These pronouns act as the objective to the verbs. So in the reflexive pronouns, in some sentences, the pronouns like myself, himself, ourselves, themselves, etc. acts as the objective to the verb. Example, he was very proud of himself after the victory. after the victory. Here himself is the reflexive pronoun. Himself is the reflexive pronoun. Here this pronoun acts as the objective to the verb. Objective to the verb. So he was very proud of himself after the victory. Here himself is the reflexive pronoun. Himself is the reflexive pronoun. They think. Second example. They think about themselves. They think about themselves. Here themselves is the reflexive pronoun. Themselves is the reflexive pronoun. So in the reflexive pronoun, in certain sentences, these pronouns myself, himself, ourselves, themselves, etc. act as the adjectives to the verb. He was very proud of himself after the victory. Here himself is the reflexive pronoun. Second example, they think about themselves. So these themselves is the reflexive pronoun. Understood, children? I have taught you about two pronouns. In the types of pronoun, first one is personal pronoun, second one is the reflexive pronoun. Next, third one. Third one is the emphasizing pronoun. Third one is the emphasizing pronoun. Emphasizing pronoun. So here pronouns like yourself, myself, himself, herself are used with the noun or a pronoun. So pronouns like yourself, myself, himself, herself, etc. are used with the noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun. Example, I myself did it. I myself did it. So this is the myself is the emphasizing pronoun. So pronouns like herself, myself, himself, herself, etc. comes with the noun or a pronoun. This to emphasizes. So for example, I myself did it. Here myself is the emphasizing pronoun. So another example is he himself told me. He himself told me. Here he himself told me. Himself is the emphasizing pronoun. Okay, understood, children? So in some places pronouns like yourself, myself, himself, herself, etc. comes with a noun or a pronoun. For example, I myself did it. Here myself is the emphasizing pronoun. Next, second example, he himself told me. Here himself is the emphasizing pronoun. I hope you have understood about the three types. First one is personal pronoun, second one is reflexive pronoun, third one is emphasizing pronoun. Okay? Okay, children, I have taught you about three types of pronouns. First one is personal pronoun, second one is reflexive pronoun, and then third one is the emphasizing pronoun. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.